Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut Retouch to add makeup to your bare face in a video. So if you are too lazy to use makeup and you want to take a video, for example, like this, and here is how you can instantly add makeup using the CapCut Retouch. So after you add the video into CapCut, and you can just click on the video, find the Retouch menu here at the bottom, click on the face category. Now just go to makeup category. So here you can just choose between looks, or you can also add one by one between the eyelashes, eyeshadow, and also lipstick. So let's try the adding the eyelashes. For example, here I'm going to just use this western eyelashes effect, and I'm going to go with 100. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this nude makeup. Okay, I'm going to go also with 100. And for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Rudy. Okay, let's try which fits the best. I'm going to use the soft pink, I think, and I'm going to go also with 100. Now you can just click on the apply to all and click on the check icon. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.